Mess Around!
Hello everybody and welcome to Mess Around TV, and I am super excited about showcasing this new mess kit. It's the Very Messy Caterpillar and I absolutely love it. It's amazing, and I'm going to show you all the different types of messy materials that you've got in it. So if your children love reading this book, because I used to love reading this to my daughters when they were little, they're going to love this kit. So the first thing you get in this mess kit, which is absolutely brilliant, is this fantastic Caterpillar plaster cast that you can paint. It is a brilliant, absolutely love this one. And it comes with its own little leaf that it sits on and these tiny little pots of paint. So this one's got, obviously we've got yellow, we've got red, we've got blue, and we've got green. And my girls are gonna absolutely love having a go at painting this. And it even has a little paintbrush. So brilliant, absolutely love that one. If your kids love painting, they're gonna love painting this one. And it also have vanilla, that's right, vanilla cupcake cloud dough, and it actually smells gorgeous. So in here is the cloud dough. It's got little sprinkles all over it. So it is like a real cupcake and it's brilliant. It's moldable, it's shapeable. Kids absolutely love playing with cloud dough. So they're gonna have a lot of fun with that one. Now, moving on to the next item in this mess kit, which I absolutely love, is this brilliant, love it, is rainbow sugar glitter. And in this Hungry Caterpillar kit, you get 3 different colours. Hang on, I need to get them out to show you because they are, oh, love them. So it's orange, blue and purple. Little bags of glitter. And you get these super cute little lollies. So that's like the book. Look at that. 3 little lollipops so the kids can pretend to be licking them. Oh, and they go with the sugar glitter. Brilliant. And we're not finished yet. The good stuff keeps coming. You also get a slice of watermelon soap mud. And this is brilliant. You've got green soap mud around the edges with pink in the middle and little watermelon seeds. It's brilliant. It's absolutely genius. Love this one. And you also get strawberry Play-Doh. And oh, it smells of strawberries as well. It's, oh, love this one. Look at the colour. Kids gonna love playing with that. Look at this. Oh, Play-Doh. Love Play-Doh. Oh, brilliant fun. And also you have butterfly pasta. So all these brilliant colours. We've got pinks, we've got blues, we've got yellows, we've got all different colours there and the kids can pretend those are butterflies. Now, this is a brilliant messy kit. You've got to admit it, absolutely genius. It's the Very Messy Caterpillar. It's going to be on sale very soon across the UK. So if you would love to get one of these kits, go over to your local leaders Facebook page, pop them a message, drop them a comment and ask them, are you going to be doing the Very Messy Caterpillar mess kits? Because I know you would love to purchase these ones. And the kids are going to love it. They're going to have a brilliant time. You can even have your own little birthday party with this at home. It's definitely worth a day's activities there in one kit box. It comes with its very own box, so you can get that to play in, and a set of instructions that will tell you all the different materials, what's included in the materials, how to play with the materials, how to extend your play, and then how to store them. So you can't get better than that. So if you'd love to get one, hop over to your local leaders page and ask them, are you going to be delivering them in our area? So hope you love that one, and I'll see you in the next session we do. Bye for now.